Hi everyone! Now you can get all your healthy superfoods in one drink. With no shopping, no blending, no juicing, and no cleanup. Finally we're back in stock. In just 30 seconds a day, you can supercharge your life, restore glowing good health and feel decades younger. Save time when you are traveling or don't have time to juice, grab a green juice on the go. Mental clarity, feel incredible energy and better focus. Plus boost your brain power. Improve health, provides your body with healthy nutrients such as the electrolytes in coconut water. Reduce stress, balance hormones already within normal range and reduce yourself from frustrations and stress. Rejuvenate your skin, glowing, healthier, younger looking skin, hair and nails. Boost immunity, packed with nature's most powerful superfoods, and is loaded with vitamins and minerals to help boost immunity. Ingredients: MORINGA. Contains all the essential amino acids needed by the body. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins which are needed to grow, repair and maintain cells. Mint. We all know this herb as a fragrant addition to popular dishes and drinks. The mint leaf has been used the world over for aiding in the occasional indigestion, cramps, whitening teeth, and as a sleep aid. Matcha green tea. A common refreshment in Japanese monasteries, matcha is high in an antioxidant called EGCG which reduces stress, regulates hormones within normal ranges, and reduces appetite. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen which is made of a combination of amino acids, vitamins, and herbs that help modulate your response to stress or a changing environment. Adaptogens help the body cope with external stresses such as toxins in the environment and internal stresses. Lemon. You may not know this, but this citrus fruit has incredible appetite-fighting effects, and has been known to cool and alkalize the body. This is crucial for stabilizing your blood sugar already within normal ranges. Beets. Beets are high in folate and manganese. Many people don't care for the texture of raw beets, however, the isolated juice tastes great in the mix and is a nutritious super ingredient. Wheatgrass, known as the lifeblood of plant life. Even the ancient Egyptians worshipped this food for its positive health benefits. Coconut water. This natural refreshment is high in potassium and assists in the transport of all of the above ingredients throughout the bloodstream. By now we know we need these superfoods in our diet every single day, and if you don't have the time, money or patience to shop, chop, and juice every day, then organifi green juice is the perfect solution. We have a limited supply of organifi green juice, and once we sell out, that means the secret is out, and our prices will go up, so take advantage of this opportunity right now. Early bird link of organifi green juice supplement available in description.